How are we doing, everyone? You're of course very welcome back to Vintage Cars Ireland, and today I just want to show you a little bit of work that we have done on the Peugeot 106 GTI. So of course a few weeks ago I got the engine fitted into the car. I also had to remove the drive shafts and fit in the new ones so that we could get the car back onto the ground and get it to where it is now. I have been away for a while, and a lot of the work that you're seeing done before you was done by Tig, like getting the engine bay all cleaned up and making some of the brake lines. Just before I went away, I fitted the 4-to-1 manifold, and I also added some copper nuts as the old ones were totally rusted. I also added some new bolts. Tig also restored and fitted the brake servo, and it's great to see the auxiliaries added to the engine bay. A full exhaust system is still needed for the car, so we're going to have to try and source one for it, but that'll be another couple of months down the line. The engine was pretty dirty, so it's great to see it where it is now and all nice and tidy looking. As far as I know, I don't think that you can buy the brake lines new, so you do need to make them up yourself, unfortunately. There's also a bigger brake kit to go with this car, which is quite exciting as these can be fitted now that the brake lines have been done. To be honest, the car lift has transformed our ability and time to work on cars, as it's far quicker and there's just a lot more access to work underneath cars. The interior is totally covered with various parts. As we put the car back together more and more, naturally the interior will become a bit tidier. This is going to be a long-term project simply because there's just so much to do, and you will see this car pop up on the channel at different times throughout the year. Just to offset the weight at the front of the car, we have added 2 heavy drums sitting at the boot of the car, as there's no weight in the back of these. There's so many different bits and pieces to look through and organise. It is very exciting to see the car coming together. The paint job is great in it, and it will be a super car when it's done. This is going to be a weekend car, so some subtle mods were done, like the OMP steering wheel. I also like that it's not a sunroof model, because this makes it stiffer and has less issues with rust than the sunroof models. So thanks for checking in on the 106 GTI project. And make sure to subscribe, like, and hit the notification button to see future videos on this car.